and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some vegan flapjack. Stay tuned and we'll get started. So into my pan I'm going to pop my coconut oil. And then my nut butter. And also my maple syrup. I'm going to pop that onto the heat and just let that melt, and then I'll show you what we do with the rest of it. I'm just going to take my mixture off the heat, that's all melted together now, and then into that I'm going to add in my oats and give it a stir. And then I'm also going to add in my dry ingredients. So I've got some coconut, some pecans and some cherries in here. And I'm going to pop them in and give it a mix. So that's everything incorporated into my mixture, and now I'm just going to take my silicone pan and I'm going to pop the mixture in and then press it down. And don't forget to scrape off your spoon in your pan so you don't miss out on any of the good stuff. My mixture all packed in now, and what I'm going to do is pop that into my oven, which is on 180, and I'm going to let that bake for 15 minutes and I'll show you what it looks like after that. See you in 15 minutes. Now my flapjacks are out the oven. I'm just going to leave them on a wire rack to cool, and I'm going to pop a net over them. So the next thing you do is allow it to completely cool, then you pop it into the fridge and then you cut it after that. These are best stored in the fridge, and you can add in any mixings you like. So where I add in my pecans, my coconut and the cherries, you can add whatever fruit you want to, or nuts. I'll just keep it plain if you want to. Do hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please do give it a like if you did, and comment down below what you're going to put in yours. And don't forget you can subscribe up here and watch my previous video just over here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye!